Hey guys, so last year Google made the Pixel 10 series official in August, and as per latest leaks, the Pixel 11 series is coming around the same time this year. That means we are just 2 months away from the official launch of the Pixel 11 family. We'll see the Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, Pixel 11 Fold, and the Pixel Watch 5, which recently got leaked after being found deep in the ocean. Yeah, no shocker, that's how Google products often leak. Now, last time we heard that the Pixel 11 series is ditching thermometer in favor of a new hardware feature called Pixel Glow. This new feature is an RGB mini LED display placed inside the pail-shaped camera bar placement, looks like triple cameras, then LED flash, and then this RGB mini LED section. Google is going to use it for notifications, charging status, camera indicator, or custom light animations, making the back design feel much more alive and interactive. Some rumors suggest that may not be a full RGB display, but instead a glowing light around the Pixel 11 camera module. Either way, Google seems to be focusing a lot on making the camera bar more functional and unique. Here are the official wallpapers of the Pixel 11 series, courtesy Mystic Leaks. Now do note, Google often designs its wallpaper to match the device colors, so you may see the standard Pixel 11 launch in fuchsia, midnight haze, moss, and sterling light. The Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL are coming in dune, fog, midnight, and pine. Here's a concept showing how these devices might look in real life, giving you a better idea of just how gorgeous they could be. Based on that, Oscar WKR Tech has made some renders, which may give you a better idea of how the Pixel 11 Pro XL may look if it had a glowing light around the camera module and not an RGB mini LED display. The Pixel 11 gets Tensor G6 based on TSMC and 2-node. Configuration is 1X ARM C1 Ultra clocked at 4.11 GHz, 4X C1 Pro at 3.38 GHz, and 2XM C1 Pro at 2.65 GHz. Google is using Titan M3 security chip, PowerVR C-Series GPU, and MediaTek M90 modem. The Pixel 11 gets a 6.3-inch 1080p display, same as last year, a 4,840 mAh battery, and 8/12 gigs of RAM. The Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL are coming with a 6.3-inch and 6.8-inch high-resolution displays, 12/16 gigs of RAM, a 4,707 mAh battery in the Pro, and a 5,000 mAh battery in the Pro XL. Best part is, Gemini Intelligence will power the Pixel 11 series. It's basically an on-device AI assistant with a nice Cyber City kind of vibe and animation that can do things for you or help with daily tasks like booking rides, filling forms, shopping, and managing apps. Gemini Intelligence features include smarter Chrome browsing, advanced autofill, Rambler for converting natural speech into polished text, and Create My Widget for making custom widgets using simple voice commands like create a widget for this particular event. And guys, this package is Google's answer to Siri AI and the iPhone 18 Pro Max. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching, your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.